everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are seeing me for the first time ever in your life, be prepared to see more of me, as I welcome you also to join us by subscribing to my YouTube channel, because the more we are here, the merrier. And if you don't already know, my name is Nena. Once again, you're welcome. Like the title of the video says, I'll be sharing with you guys what I have in my Lady Dior mini bag, just as I equally unboxed it with you guys. Of late, I have been loving small bags, which have made me master what to fit into them and how to fit stuff into them nicely without putting stress on the bags. So let's get started. This is the Blush Pink Lady Dior mini bag in lambskin leather with the champagne gold hardware and the chain strap, which I only recently got as a birthday gift to myself. This is such a structured compact bag that measures 17 cm by 15 cm. Because this is the mini size, it has a flap closure that makes it easy to get into and out of, as against when compared to the large and the medium sizes, which have zipper closures. This is an overview of what I currently have in my bag right now. In this bag, I have my phone in here. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the largest size of the iPhone 11 series. This is the biggest size, and it fits into this bag. I have my charger, I have my AirPod, I have my driver's license, I have my ATM card, I have my lipstick. This is the MAC Feel So Grand liquid lipstick, which I have been loving, and I have it on currently. And then I have a compact mirror in here. I also have the sample size Hermes perfume, because I tell you guys, smelling good is serious business. And I have the Bath and Body foaming mousse and hand sanitizer. This is the truth. A little goes a long way to keep the germs and bacteria away. And finally, in this bag, guys, I have my sunglasses. How do I look? And that's everything I have in my bag. Everything I need for when I am out and about. The interior of the bag looks like this, with one compartment and a side zipper. I don't know if you guys can see that. A side zipper, which I don't really use. Like I said in my unboxing video, this bag isn't the most practical for everyday use, obviously, but it definitely comes through for carrying the very essentials I need when I need to be out and about. Simply put, this bag right here is small but mighty. Very mighty indeed, I tell you. Moving along, this bag can be worn in 3 ways, which I will demonstrate to you right about now. It can be worn on the shoulder as a shoulder bag. Can you see that? It can also be worn crossbody, like so. And lastly, it can be worn using the top handle while holding it with or without the chain strap. But I prefer it with the chain strap for that elegant, chic look. You see what I mean? How cute is this lovely bag? And that's all for now, folks. A quick what's in my Lady Dior mini bag. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as letting me know what you think of this video in the comment section below. But most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until my next video, guys, stay blessed. Cheers.